I am Dr. Sandile Tshabalala, the head of department in KwaZulu-Natal, the head of Department of Health. On behalf of the MEC for Health in KwaZulu-Natal, Ms. Nomagugu Smelane, on behalf of myself, on behalf of the Department of Health, on this day, the National Doctors' Day, it is a great pleasure for us to have an opportunity to acknowledge, to salute and to thank all doctors in our healthcare system. Historically, our country and province has had a high burden of diseases, and yet we are also affected by a general shortage of doctors, which is a global phenomenon. This already tough situation has been made worse by the emergence of the deadly COVID-19 pandemic, which placed a heavier strain on all our healthcare workers, particularly our doctors. But be that as it may, our doctors have stood firm. Like warriors engaged in the biggest battle of their lives, they have fought courageously, often punching way above their weight in the execution of their duties. They have proven yet again that they are a vital cog in our healthcare system. It is our firm belief that had it not been for their hard work and dedication, we would have lost many lives than we have. As such, we will continue to thank them. Sadly, we've lost many of our doctors during the pandemic, as well as due to other reasons. To all those who have lost, may their precious souls rest in peace. To the relatives of the doctors that have passed, may God be with them. As we commemorate this National Doctors' Day, we want all our doctors to know that we love and appreciate them. They are our heroes. We want to say to them, thank you for doing your best under some of the most trying circumstances. We want to say to them, as you continue to honor your calling, because at the end of the day, being a healthcare worker is beyond a profession, but more of a calling. This we say because when patients come to you, they need not your skills, they need not how much you know, they just need your patience, and at no time are you allowed to leave a patient not being attended. It therefore says it is more of a calling than just a profession. We want you to please know that we stand with you at all material times. We love and appreciate you, and we would like to really thank you for dedicating yourselves to the service of the people of our province. We would like to thank your families for allowing you to spend the time that you spend on the corridors of our facilities. We would like to thank also those of you who are dedicated in making sure that the system is improving. But we would like to also implore and beg you to also make sure that the quality that we give to the people of our country is the quality that they deserve. We would like also to ultimately ask you, do take care of yourselves. There are many things that are happening in life. There are many stressors that you may meet. There are many challenges that you may face as human beings, like all human beings. But it is important that when you need to be weak and consult somewhere. Don't always be strong. It is correct to be strong for the sake of our patients, but yourselves, you must take care of yourselves and be strong for the sake of a stronger system, for the sake of a stronger, economically viable KwaZulu-Natal. We depend on you solely because of the hard work that you are doing. By these words, we must say that the MEC for Health in KwaZulu-Natal, as the HOD for Health, the whole system of KwaZulu-Natal Health would like to thank you profusely and would like to encourage you to continue to soldier on. As we said, you are our heroes, and would like to thank you profusely. Thank you.